Alright, YouTube, so I'm about to be unboxing my Rough Country 2-inch lift. If you notice, the only thing I did was open the box. I didn't look in it yet. But I'm about to see what's in it and take y'all along for the ride. This will be my first mod to my 2021 Ram 1500. Yeah, my previous video I showed where that came from. I want to drop two videos in one day. If y'all see that the back sits higher in the front, this 2-inch lift is going to fix that. So alright, so the unboxing. Oh no. Alright, so it comes with the 2019 1500 4-wheel drive leveling kit. This right here is from 2019 to 2021 because that's the year now. And it says do not fit TRX with package vehicles, but it fits mine. So it'll come with all the instructions you need to do it. I ain't gonna be doing it, so I don't need it. But whoever I drop it off to, so this right here how it look. Don't know what that is, that a part number or anything, but I'm not really sure. I thought it'd be metal, but it's hard plastic. I'm gonna see how it go. Hope it don't break, but if it do, then I'll just put the regular 2-inch lift on it. Get two of these for both sides of the vehicle. Let's say, 2-inch lift. Oh, what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Oh, can't get it out. So, what is this? What is this? Look like a sticker. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a Rough Country sticker. Really can't show it to you because I'm trying to record and open stuff at the same time. If y'all can see right there, it says Rough. So it's a sticker. I probably won't be putting it on my car because I don't get paid for advertisement. But it'll be a good video. And it comes with service reminder and a warning to the driver. I'm gonna hold it here so y'all can read it for a little bit. And I'm gonna hold this here so y'all can read this. But all in all, this right here is, what is this? Somebody must have been eating at the factory or wherever they package it at. And this is a smaller Rough Country sticker. I might put this on the car. I might put it under that black siding glass right there. You just might get a little bit free advertisement out of me. But it is what it is. So, it is what it is. Hopefully, whenever my car get fixed, this right here will be the first place I drop the car off to. But if not, then whenever I get it on, y'all see it. After my lift, I'm going some off-road rims. Either gonna be 22 by 12 or 20 by 12. Might do 20 by 10 and a half. or 20 by 9, 20 by 10, whatever it goes, and 33-inch tires. Y'all see. All right, man. YouTube, I'm gonna remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to go get 1,000 subscribers this year and 4,000 watch minutes. But again, this is the Rough Country Suspension Systems. Alright, scratch off my address, you know. It is what it is, but y'all know my name, so that ain't a big deal. But my address is where my kids lay their heads, so can't have the information out. Gotta pick this up. Alright, y'all, but it's been another one. And I'll tell y'all if it's great buy or not. First unboxing. Alright, YouTube, I'm gone.